Again, so the fascias come, and the fascias here I have actually connected the aircon control module, and they fit exactly as they should do, and I put the hazard lights as well, which is fits perfectly. So the double din came, and this is a double din, which is a Extrons with a Android 8.1 octagon. The actual unit, it fits exactly right, because this is the old unit, as you can see, and this is the new unit. As you can see, these screws are lined up. It says on here M5 8mm max. It says on here exactly same thing. So you don't mix them up, because they've got on the original Nissan Elgrands E51 already been stamped to hand it, so you can't mix them up. So this is for right hand, and the other one, it is for a left hand. So the actual wiring harness, which is these ones, it comes from a Halfert. As you can see in here, that's the part number for it, and it fits perfectly. So which is that there, that there. That's for the actual head unit. I've already put through the cable for the headrest DVD player monitor, and also the cable for the reverse camera, which is already here. I'm not going to connect the headrest DVD player, but for a next owner I will actually document it, that there is a cable for the headrest DVD player, which is, it goes all the way there underneath it, and it's just about there. I have put it in just under the seat. So I'm just gonna start connecting the fascia, or I should say the actual unit, to the fascia. That's the first thing you have to do. So there's a screw for them, screw for the fascia, 4 of them. So all you need to do is actually put that in there, in the actual fascia, and it will fit. Apologize, some bikers. So let's do it.